Hey friends, if you wish to force dark mode in Microsoft Edge and all websites you visit, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Open Microsoft Edge, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select settings, and then just write the word dark here. Okay. There is an option for overall appearance. One is that it will pick the system mode. Okay, now if I change the system mode to the light mode, just see what happens. I right click on settings, personalization. I'll change select themes. I'll select a light theme. Okay, and Microsoft Edge becomes light as well, so it will simply pick up the system mode. The other one is to force it into a light mode, and the next one is to force it into the dark mode. Now, it doesn't matter what theme I use on my system, Microsoft Edge will always remain dark, and so will all other websites and menus. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.